everyone, welcome back to another video. It's Ashley Michelle here. I know it's been a long time since my last upload, but we are back and we are on vacation in Greece, Rhodes. We are staying at the Ixian Grand All Suites Adults Only Hotel and Resort, which is an all-inclusive hotel. And if you're anything like me and you love to look at reviews of hotels before you go, then this is the perfect video for you, as I'll be giving a full tour of the hotel to help you decide if this 5-star luxury hotel is right for you. Now, this hotel consists of 348 rooms and suites. It has 6 restaurants and bars, 3 freshwater pools, a spa center, and a gym. Oh, and it's also a beachfront location. At the time of this video, if you're looking to stay here for just over a night, you'd be paying at least £293.92 or €348, which is quite expensive. And of course, the price may vary depending on who you book with and depending on what time of year you book, but I do suggest that you book through the Ixian Grand actual website because you do get some good discounts. So on your left here, they have the reception desk where you do your check-in, but on the right here, this is where over evening time there is a lot of entertainment. So sometimes they have karaoke night, sometimes they have external people come in to perform. They had opera night whilst we was there, and they had rock night, and so it's just different themes. And then this is one of the first bars that they have. I spent a lot of time here, which is good fun, and that bar is open until late in the evening. This hotel also offers excursions, so over there they have a little desk for that, but over here, if you take the stairs going up, it leads you to the hotel rooms, and down it leads you to the toilets. Of course, you can also take the 2 lifts. So over here they have something called Truman's Lobby Bar, and it's open until about 1 a.m. I believe. This area right here is absolutely gorgeous, especially during the night time. It is such a lovely vibe, especially when everyone's just chilling, listening to the entertainment of the night. It looks over the lovely pool area. It is absolutely gorgeous. Definitely a spot to chill at. So I'm taking you guys past the stairs and around, and as you can see, they have a lovely convenient store, which is a lovely shop within the hotel. It is literally so useful, especially for us, because we always need something that we haven't brought. There's something that we're missing. So yeah, this shop, although it's quite small, it has a lot in here. They have medicines in case you need something, first aid kits or anything like that, tablets, travel sickness. They have sunscreens out the wazoo. They've got slippers, and they've got, you know, pool floaties and bikinis, and they have hats. We even bought a hat one night when we got super drunk, and it was a good time. But the hats turned out nice. But yeah, this store has absolutely everything, including snacks and wines and shampoos and lotions, just everything that you may need. So as we just walk out to this area here, we have the first pool area, and this is where you can also collect your clean towels and return your used towels. This pool area is a lot quieter than the other one that I'm going to show you later, but it does lead on to the spa. So if you see this dome in the center here, if you follow it all the way straight down, that is where the spa is located. So if we enter back into the building, onto the left, this is where the main dining hall is. So this is where you will be getting your breakfast, lunch and dinner. As mentioned before, this is an all-inclusive hotel, but if you read the reviews on this hotel, a lot of people said that they didn't like the food here. I didn't mind it. Of course, it's not excellent, but it definitely has something for everyone since it has such a wide variation of things. I think you'll definitely find at least something that you'd like to have for breakfast, lunch and dinner. So as you leave the dining hall, you will then enter into the main pool oasis. So this is the pool area, and it's also where the beachfront location is set. And yeah, I filmed this quite early in the morning, so that's why the sky is quite dull and dismal. But as the hours go on, it does get quite bright and it gets lovely. It's absolutely gorgeous outside. But of course, there are sunbeds that are darted all around the pool and also leading down into the beach. But over on the left, this is the first a la carte restaurant. Now, this a la carte restaurant you only have access to if you book through the hotel website. And we did actually manage to get a booking there, as we did book through the hotel website, and it was a lovely experience. Making our way down to the beachfront area now. So I just wanted to show you guys how close it actually is to the hotel. It's not that far of a walk at all, and it's not that many steps. I'd say it's quite accessible from all areas of the hotel, so it doesn't matter what hotel room you have. Yep, so if you just follow the area around, you will come across here, which is the blue poolside bar. This bar does get a lot more busier than the one indoors, which is obvious because everyone gathers outside. Of course, they're at the pool and they're at the beach. But this is really convenient because it saves time walking all the way inside. You know, we're on holiday, guys. It's alright to be a little bit lazy. And over on the left hand side here, they actually have a cute little snack bar. So they actually serve hot food, cold food, and some desserts. But sometimes the hot food isn't all that hot. We ordered a Philly cheesesteak sandwich, which was delicious, but it wasn't as warm as we would like. This is the other side of the a la carte restaurant that I was showing you guys earlier. It's the inside. So I've made my way back into the main lobby bit. This is the elevators that I was showing you. Obviously, this is the inside. I thought I'd just give you guys a quick tour of two of the rooms so you can have a look at what they look like and what to expect if you are deciding to stay here. So our hotel room was on the first floor. We stayed at room 117, and I'm gonna let real time Ashley talk you through the hotel tour. So see you soon, guys. Okay guys, so we have just entered our room right now, so I'm going to show you guys a quick little tour of our bedroom of what it looks like. So door, we have the sink here with the mirrors, we've got towels, some slippers here, and then we've got our two robes, and then in here we have the shower. So we've got the shower there, it's a decent sized shower, and then the toilet. That's that, the bathroom. And then we've got our wardrobe here. So we've got quite a big wardrobe actually. It's enough. And obviously we've got the spare pillows there, the safe, and enough hangers for everyone. And then we walk into the main bit. And then we've got the TV here. And we've got all of our kettle. Oh, they give us a little wine. It's lovely. So we've got wine, all of our bottles, and oh, we've got a dessert. Oh. So the bed is here. I love the positioning of this bed because it's right opposite the window where the pool area is. So that's really nice. Lovely rooms, guys. I believe that we had the deluxe room with garden view for both rooms. So now I'm going to show you what the other room looks like, which is a little bit different. I prefer this one, but you can have a look and see which one you like. Here, as soon as you enter the front door, you have the bathroom. So you've got a little sink area here with the towels and slippers. Anything you need, mirror. And then you've got two robes here. Then you've got the toilet and the shower in there with its own separate door. You've got the wardrobes in there. So I'll definitely be using those. Then you've got this bed here. It's very nice. The only issue is though, this area is a bit narrow. But it is still lovely. You've got a TV on the wall here mounted. And then this little desk here and a sofa. Then I'll show you guys the view. So we are on the first floor, but that is just a nice little peek area into the pool. So that's nice. So I've made it back to the front of the hotel now, and that concludes the tour of the hotel. I hope you guys liked it. I hope it was helpful for you. I'd love to hear in the comments below what you guys thought of it, and if you guys have stayed there before, and if not, would you want to stay here? I definitely enjoyed my time and I'll definitely be coming back. So if you like this video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Thank you guys.